So I just had me some roast beef, and now I'm gonna have some beef broth. Check this out. It's like a beef soup. It's all beef, beef broth, carrots, probably some cucumber or something, celery. Give that the old college try. I've actually had fun trying to find food to navigate that are healthy options. Keeps you hydrated, keeps you nourished, keeps you strong. It's delicious. Great idea. I haven't tried any of their sweets. To be honest with you, I probably won't. I like feeling good. I also want to feel good the next day. After I put that sugar in my body, the body does not like it. Let me take it? Yes, sir. Thanks. So, hey, travel how you will. This is one way I get to do it and enjoy it still. Type snack in the comments below, and we'll give you your healthy snack cheat sheet.